Imagine waking up to the soothing sounds of a bustling market, the scent of fresh herbs wafting from a nearby kitchen, and the sight of terraced rice fields stretching into the misty mountains. Vietnam offers more than just beautiful landscapes. It's a land of vibrant traditions, warm hospitality, and rich culture. Living with locals allowed me to go beyond the tourist hotspots and experience the heart of Vietnam. From learning to cook traditional dishes to celebrating festivals, every moment deepened my understanding of this incredible country. Join me as I recount my unforgettable journey of cultural immersion in Vietnam. The warm welcome of a Vietnamese village. Arriving in a remote village nestled among the rice terraces of northern Vietnam, I was greeted with warm smiles and open arms. My hosts, a family from the Hmong ethnic group, welcomed me into their modest home with a cup of hot green tea and stories about their daily lives. The simplicity and warmth of their lifestyle were immediately humbling. Unlike the fast-paced city life I was used to, their days revolved around tending to the fields, preparing meals, and cherishing time with loved ones. Sharing meals with the family around a small wooden table was a daily ritual that offered me a glimpse into their values of togetherness and community. Learning to cook authentic Vietnamese dishes. One of the most memorable aspects of living with locals was learning to cook authentic Vietnamese dishes. My host family's kitchen was modest, with an open hearth and an array of fresh ingredients sourced from their garden. Under the guidance of my host mother, I learned to make pho, Vietnam's iconic noodle soup, using aromatic spices, slow-cooked broth, and rice noodles prepared by hand. She also introduced me to the art of wrapping spring rolls and fermenting nuoc mam, fish sauce, a staple in every Vietnamese household. Cooking together wasn't just about food. It was about bonding, sharing laughter, and understanding the significance of family meals in Vietnamese culture. Participating in festivals and celebrations. One of the highlights of my stay was joining the community for a Tet Festival celebration, Vietnam's Lunar New Year. The village came alive with colorful decorations, traditional music, and the smell of festive dishes being prepared. I participated in a communal feast, watched dragon dances, and even tried my hand at making ban chung, a square-shaped rice cake wrapped in banana leaves. The sense of unity and joy during Tet was infectious, and it was incredible to witness how deeply rooted traditions bring people together in celebration. Building connections through language and stories. Living with locals wasn't just about observing their culture, it was about building connections. Although I arrived with only a few Vietnamese phrases under my belt, my host's patience and eagerness to teach me bridged the language gap. Through gestures, laughter, and hours of practice, I learned basic greetings and phrases that allowed me to engage with the community. In return, I shared stories about my life, creating a two-way exchange that enriched both of our perspectives. These connections reminded me of the universal language of kindness and curiosity that transcends words. Daily life in a local market. Spending time at the village market was an adventure in itself. Each morning, I accompanied my host to buy fresh produce, spices, and handmade goods. The market was a sensory overload of vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and lively conversations. Vendors sold everything from tropical fruits and freshly caught fish to intricately woven baskets and traditional clothing. Observing the hustle and bustle of the market, I gained a deeper understanding of how central this gathering place is to the community's daily life. Embracing the slow pace of life. One of the most surprising yet enriching aspects of living with locals was embracing the slower pace of rural life. Without the constant distractions of technology and urban noise, I found myself more present in the moment. Afternoons were often spent sitting on the porch, sipping tea, and watching the children play, while evenings were filled with stories shared under a blanket of stars. This slower rhythm taught me to appreciate simplicity and the joy of living in harmony with nature. Building connections through language and stories. One of the most enriching aspects of living with locals in Vietnam was building genuine connections through the shared language of kindness, curiosity, and storytelling. When I first arrived, I was slightly apprehensive about the language barrier. My knowledge of Vietnamese was limited to a few basic phrases like Xin Chio, hello, and Cam on, thank you. However, what began as a challenge quickly transformed into an incredible opportunity to learn, grow, and bond in ways I never anticipated. My host family was remarkably patient and eager to teach me their language. Every meal became a mini language lesson, with my host mother naming each dish in Vietnamese and encouraging me to repeat the words. Pho, binh mi, and cha gio became more than just culinary delights. They became stepping stones into a deeper understanding of their culture. Even the children joined in, giggling as they corrected my pronunciation or taught me new words. It wasn't long before I found myself comfortably using phrases to express gratitude, compliment their cooking, or ask about their day. Each new word felt like a small victory, bridging the gap between us and allowing me to connect on a more personal level. As I practiced speaking Vietnamese, my hosts reciprocated by showing a genuine interest in my background and language. Through a mix of broken English, Vietnamese, and hand gestures, we exchanged stories about our lives. I shared tales of my bustling city life, describing skyscrapers, public transportation, and winter snow, concepts that seemed as foreign to them as their terraced rice fields and hand-woven textiles were to me. Their curiosity and enthusiasm made me feel not just welcomed but valued, as though I had something meaningful to contribute to their world. As my time in the village drew to a close, I was struck by how far I had come in both language and connection. I no longer felt like an outsider observing their culture from a distance. Instead, I felt like a part of their community, however briefly, and the stories we shared became cherished memories. Saying goodbye was bittersweet, but I left with a newfound appreciation for the power of communication, not just through spoken language, but through shared experiences, stories, and the universal language of humanity. Building connections through language and stories in Vietnam was one of the most rewarding experiences of my journey. It taught me that even when words fail, mutual respect, kindness, and curiosity can forge meaningful relationships. The bonds I created during my stay reminded me of the beauty of cultural exchange and the importance of stepping out of one's comfort zone to truly understand and connect with others. These connections are the treasures I carry with me, and they serve as a reminder that the world, despite its vastness, is deeply interconnected through our shared humanity. Exploring local spiritual practices. Vietnamese culture is deeply tied to spirituality, and living with locals gave me a front-row seat to their practices. From early morning offerings at the family altar to witnessing ceremonies at the village pagoda, I saw how faith and tradition weave into everyday life. My host family explained the significance of ancestor worship, and I was even invited to participate in lighting incense and making offerings, which felt both humbling and profound. Living with locals in Vietnam was a transformative experience that taught me the true meaning of hospitality, resilience, and cultural pride. It wasn't about visiting landmarks or ticking off tourist attractions. It was about slowing down, immersing myself in the rhythm of their lives, and learning from their traditions. From sharing meals to celebrating festivals, every moment was a step closer to understanding the heart of Vietnam. This journey not only deepened my appreciation for their culture, but also reminded me of the value of human connection in its purest form. If you ever have the chance to live with locals, take it. It's an experience that will stay with you forever.